Hello and welcome back to Profit Over Turnover. Hi, I'm Carmel Sear, your host and founder of Profit Flow, helping you forecast with confidence and plan with clarity. So one of the questions that I get asked a lot is, when do you need to bring in a management accountant into your business? And what do they do? And how do you know that you need one? So today I'm going to share with you my top 5 tips or reasons why you would need that additional help in your business. So let's get into it. So the first sign is probably the most common, and it is that you're getting busier and busier, but you're not seeing that busyness turning up in the bank account. And there can be a couple of reasons for this. So you're seeing that your sales are growing month on month, you're busier and busier. And as you're busier and as people get busier, they can tend to make shortcuts in other decision-making processes. So sometimes you end up spending more on your costs, on your raw materials, maybe on services, because you don't have the time to think about it and plan it properly. You also then, while your sales are growing and when you don't see it in your cash flow, it can be that it's getting stuck somewhere along the line. So maybe your clients aren't paying you quick enough, or you're paying your suppliers too fast, or there's somewhere where it's getting clogged. So a management accountant will come in and they will help you identify where any of that blockage is and where your costs, if they are going up, where they're going up, and how you can cut back on that. And it's more of an analysis of what's going on in the business. The second sign would be if your pricing is out of control a little bit, that you don't feel that you don't have a handle on your pricing. So maybe your pricing hasn't changed since you started business, and your costs have changed. You might be pricing your product against what's out there in the market. So a management accountant will help you look at what differentiates your product to the others that are out in the market, and also help you make sure that you're covering all your costs. And that's with product and with service, making sure that you're covering all the time that it takes and that your pricing reflects that. The third sign would be if you have to make a business decision and you really don't know how to start making it. So it might be that you have to hire somebody new, or you want to hire somebody new. Can the business afford it? Or you have extra stock to buy. Again, what's the impact on your business if you spend that money on stock? Or you want to move, you've outgrown your premises and you want to move. What is that decision? What is making that decision? How is the long-term effect on that is going to be on your business? So again, a management accountant will come in, look at what's going on in the business, do projections, and help you come to a decision that is right for you and the business, and that your business can sustain this growth. And the fourth sign would be that you have multiple revenue streams and you're not sure if they're all profitable, or any of them are profitable, or your profit isn't as high as you think it is, or you're sure you're missing something through your processes. So again, a management accountant will come in, will separate all your costs out and your revenue out, and have a look at the individual revenue streams to make sure that each of them are making the profit. What can happen is that a profitable stream is masking the losses on one or two other streams. So you have to look at that as individually and then as a group, to see if it's worth maybe discontinuing some products or services and maybe leaning into the ones that are a little bit more profitable for you. And the fifth sign and last sign that I'm going to go over in this chat is that someone asks you for financial projections and you just don't know where to start. So you might be going for a loan, you might be going for a grant, and you're looking for projections. So a lot of standard projections might be for 3 years profit and loss account, and then you might have 1 or 2 years cash flow. And you don't know where to start. So a management accountant will come and take the information that you already have there and project it going forward. You don't need a crystal ball. It's really about taking what you're planning and putting numbers around for it. You may have plans that in 3 years you're at a certain revenue or a certain profit stage in your business. So a management accountant will help you understand that and help you project that forward based on what you're actually doing, and they will help you match the costs that go with that, and have those projections that are things that you can stand over. You have assumptions that you can bring into any meeting that you're going into, and you'll be able to understand how you're actually going to get to the growth stage that you want. So there are 5 of the top reasons. There are other ones as well, but they're the ones I see the most. And it's really just about helping business owners understand how the money flows in their business, how the accounts work, and how the accounts can help them drive the business. Because here at Profit Over Turnover, we're looking for growth in profit. While it starts with growth in turnover, we are still looking to make sure that your profit is growing in the same way as your revenue. So if any of those signs sound familiar, don't worry, you don't need to be an accountant. You just simply need to bring in a little bit of additional help. Your accountant and your bookkeeper are great at bringing in the historical costs and keeping you compliant. However, a lot of businesses, as they grow, need to spend time understanding those numbers and mapping out how that growth is going to look like for profit and cash in your business. Thank you so much for listening. I look forward to seeing you at the next episode. And as always, please like and subscribe and share this with one of your business besties. Till next time, bye.